This trash bin offers a convenient and space-saving solution for your kitchen waste. With 2 separate compartments, it helps sort your trash efficiently, keeping your kitchen neat and organized. This mop broom holder offers a convenient and space-saving solution to organize your cleaning tools. Its durable design ensures a secure hold, keeping your broom and mop easily accessible and neatly stored. This spatula is designed for secure, easy handling of your steaks and grilled meats. Crafted for durability, they ensure a perfect grip and precision during your cooking and grilling sessions. This kitchen shelf offers a sleek, space-saving solution for organizing your essentials. Perfect for any kitchen, it provides durability and easy access to your everyday items. This faucet aerator improves water flow efficiency, saving both water and energy. Enhance your faucet's performance with a simple, eco-friendly solution for everyday use. This vegetable peeler effortlessly peels and collects vegetable skins for mess-free prep. Designed for convenience, it makes your kitchen tasks quicker and cleaner. This router storage box is designed to organize your workspace efficiently. Keep cables, routers, and accessories neatly stored, ensuring a clutter-free environment. This desk file organizer keeps your workspace neat and organized. Its sturdy design efficiently stores documents, folders, and office supplies for easy access. This dish drying rack is perfect for organizing your kitchen essentials. Its sturdy design offers ample space for drying dishes, glasses, and utensils efficiently. This microfiber hair towel quickly absorbs moisture, leaving your hair soft and dry in no time. This multi-functional tissue box holder adds style and convenience to any space. This sleek organizer keeps tissues and essentials neatly in one place. This hook features a sleek drop hanger design that's perfect for organizing clothes, bags, and accessories. This storage holder keeps your space neat and organized with ease. Perfect for storing utensils, tools, or condiments in one stylish spot. This disposable toilet brush offers a hygienic and mess-free way to clean your toilet with ease. Each brush head is designed for single use, ensuring a fresh clean every time. This space-saving laundry basket is foldable for easy storage and perfect for organizing clothes. Ideal for small spaces like dorms, bathrooms, or closets. This travel foldable electric kettle is your perfect companion for hot drinks on the go. Its compact, foldable design makes it ideal for travel, saving space without compromising convenience. This kitchen dish drying rack with lid cover keeps your dishes organized and protected from dust. The space-saving design offers efficient drying with a clean, clutter-free look for any kitchen. This multi-meal cooker is your all-in-one kitchen hero, perfect for sautéing, slow cooking, steaming, and baking with ease. This versatile appliance simplifies meal prep while saving time and space in your kitchen. This toothbrush holder cup offers a clean and convenient way to organize your bathroom essentials. This sleek, space-saving design keeps your toothbrushes and cups dry, hygienic, and always within easy reach. This washboard for hand-washing clothes offers an efficient and eco-friendly solution for tackling laundry by hand. This retractable clothesline is a durable, space-saving solution for drying clothes indoors or outdoors. Its smooth retractable design ensures easy storage while providing a strong, reliable line for all your laundry needs. This silicone fish spatula offers a flexible, non-stick design perfect for flipping delicate fish without damage. This pumpkin bowl is a festive and charming addition to your holiday decor. This silicone finger mitts offer ultimate protection for your hands while handling hot or cold items. This waterproof socket box cover provides reliable protection for your outdoor electrical outlets. This diving duck toilet brush features a unique design that adds a fun touch to your bathroom while providing efficient cleaning. This T-Dregs bucket trash can offers a practical and stylish solution for keeping your space clean. With its dual compartments, it's perfect for sorting tea dregs and waste efficiently. This faucet extender is designed to make hand washing easier and more convenient for children and individuals with limited mobility. This electric spin scrubber offers powerful cleaning with minimal effort, making it ideal for tackling tough grime. Its ergonomic design and multiple attachments ensure a thorough, efficient clean in hard-to-reach areas. This motion sensor trash can offers a hands-free, hygienic waste disposal experience. Equipped with advanced motion sensor technology, it ensures a seamless and touchless operation for your bathroom. This broom and dustpan set offers efficient cleaning with an upgraded, long-handled design. Built-in scraper and soft bristles make sweeping easy and mess-free. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.